Hi guys, let's learn how to solve linear equations. I'm gonna show you this new method, but for you to understand it, I have to bring some life analogy. First thing we are gonna do is that we are gonna consider equal sign, which is in equations, as a road. So we have a road, which is equal sign. We'll write from the left side some names, and we will write some names from the right side. Let's begin with Umar in the left side. Let's give him negative sign. Also, we have Yusuf. Let's give him a positive sign. From the right side, let's write Ramazan. Ramazan will have negative sign, and also Abu Bakr. Let's give Abu Bakr negative sign too. So what we have to understand that as I have written, every name has its own sign, and you write signs from the left side. As you can see, it's minus from the left side, and all of them are from the left side. Now, what is the rule? The only rule we have is that if someone crosses the road, his sign will change. This is the only thing you have to remember. If someone crosses the road, then his sign will change. Let's implement it. We have equal sign. If I write, for example, from the left side, Ramazan, my question is, did Ramazan cross the road? What do you think? How we are going to answer it? You can see that Ramazan was from the right side, but now he is from the left side. It means that he did cross the road. He crossed the road. That's why his sign will change, because he crossed the road. That's why his sign will change. His sign was negative. Now it will be what? Positive. Let's write, for example, Umar. What do you think? Did Umar cross the road or no? Let's look. Umar was from the left side. Now he is still from the left side. What does it mean? It means that he didn't cross the road. That's why his sign will not change. If his sign was negative, then it will be still negative. Let's write from the right side, for example, Abu Bakr. What do you think? Did Abu Bakr cross the road? Let's look at it. Abu Bakr was from the right side. Now he's still from the right side. That's why his sign will not change, because he didn't cross the road. His sign was negative. It will be negative again. And the last person who is left is Yusuf. And what do you think? Did Yusuf cross the road? And how we are gonna find it out? We see that Yusuf was from the left side. Now he's from the right side, and that's why he did cross the road. He crossed the road. His sign will change. His sign was positive. Now it will be what? Negative. I hope that you understand this analogy with crossing the road, because we are gonna do the same thing while solving equations. Let's do it. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna wipe it off, and now I will write one example, one equation. Negative 20x negative 40 equal to negative 25x plus 60. Let's solve this equation. We are going to implement the same road method. So how does it work? We are going to put this road, we are going to write it, and now our job is to write from the left side only x's, and from the right side only numbers. From the left side what? Only x's, and from the right side only numbers. And if someone or if any of them crosses the road, then its sign will change. Let's start with x's. What do you think? We have 20 x's and we have 25x. You have to write them from the left side. 20x. What do you think? Did 20x cross the road or no? If you can see it, 20x was from the left side, and now it's still from the left side. What does it mean? It didn't cross the road. That's why its sign will not change. If it was negative, it will be still negative. We have also 25x. If I write 25x, and the same question, did 25x cross the road or no? 25x was from the right side, and now it is from the left side. That's why it did cross the road. It crossed the road, and its sign will change. If it was negative, it will be what? Positive. We have written x's from the left side. Now our job is what? To write numbers from the right side. What kind of numbers do we have here? For example, 40. If I write 40, what do you think? Did 40 cross the road? How am I going to answer it? I see that 40 was from the left side, now it's from the right side, and that's why it did cross the road, because it was from the left side, now it's from the right side. From the left side of what? Of road. From the right side of what? Of road. And because it crossed the road, we are going to change its sign. It was negative, it will be what? Positive. And the last one is 60. What do you think? 60 did cross the road? 60 or not? 60 didn't cross the road. Why? Because it was from the right side and it's still from the right side. That's why its sign will not change. It was positive, it will be what? Positive. What we are going to do now, we are going to calculate how many x's we have and how many numbers we have. For example, from the left side, we owe 20x and we have 25x. If we give what we owe, we will have what's going to be left? 5x. We owe 20x, we have 25x. We are going to give what we owe or repay, and what we have, we will have 5x. Here we have 40, some money, or $40, it doesn't matter. It would be greater, it would be good if it was a dollar. So $40 and $60. How much money do we have? We have 100. Now 5x is 100. How much is 1x? In order to find 1x, you have to divide this number by the number of x's. 100 we divide by what? By 5. And we will have 20. So I hope you understood it.